this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice rapid red coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Lariat Sport Package, as well as the Max Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch, backup camera. We do have mud flaps on the rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board. We have a side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black leather perforated seats, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, brown leathering on the door, and of course you don't need that extra person. We have 2 cup holders and some arm space. You have 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated seats, a 12-volt USB and USB-C, and a 120 right there. And lifting this up, you do get a fair bit more storage. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well, the brown leathering, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake pedal adjusters, your tailgate lights, blind spot detection, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 37.9 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu, phone and media, volume and voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking over here, you do have your gear shift, which is also collapsible, and it does have your speed adjustments there. Storage here, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C, and that does close. We do have the brown leathering on here, which does open up for a work surface, and does open up this way for more storage. We have our rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand snow, mud and rut, and all the way to the left here you have tow and haul, eco, and sport. And taking a look over here, you have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt, 120 volt. Clicking this does open that for storage, and storage in the glove compartment. You do have your music functions there, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction. And looking up here, you do have storage there. We do have a nice rear window opener, and our functions for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we do have a nice garage door transmitter. Now looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You do have your phone, navigation of course, your fave app, which you can select from here, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, powered tailgate, any apps you may have downloaded. There's that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as Sirius XM, navigation, so on and so forth, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC93549, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.